I have to tell you, I initially joined thinking that, about building my business profile. And I really did not anticipate the leadership, the inspiration, the motivation, the support, the encouragement. All of those things are just, it's an incredible community. It just makes my hair on my arm stand up when I talk about it. It's so much more. And then having the opportunity, like Zan said, to kind of be pushed past your comfort zone. I've never done an interview before, so this has been a very first thing for me, and I'm so grateful and so honored to be a part of it. It is pushing me beyond my comfort zone and my tendencies for perfection, because I'm like, write that again. But there's so much ease and support surrounding this community, and you get all the other perks along with it. I mean, you do get noticed on the business side, but like I said, more importantly, you build those bonds, and I think that trumps everything.